Hello everyone. So in the previous video, I explained data integration. Like in for retail data analysis project, I integrated all the required data set. Now after integrating, we got some output. So we will analyze the output data set and we'll try to understand what are the transformation we can apply on that output data set. So let's come to the retail data. So this is the output that we got in previous video. So the first transformation we must apply, that is called data type. If any of the column that is not in the proper data type, then we should convert into the data types. I mean, just assume this is the geography key. So we know it should be in the integer. So now its type is integer, but assume if its type is text, then we need to convert into integer. So similar city, it is in text, so it's a fine. So like that we will see columns and data type. If it's a fine, then we don't need to apply. If it's not fine, if it has any other data type, I mean, just assume we have a date column and its data type is showing text, then we have to convert into date type. Okay, if we don't convert, then what will happen? Then we cannot apply some calculation on those column. Just assume integer type is in the text for type. Okay, then we cannot make aggregation on text type column. Okay, so for that we need to change. So similar, we have a data type column. So if assume if its data type is showing text and we don't convert, then we cannot apply date operation on text type column. So we need to convert in proper data type. So as per the data, I know all the data, I mean all the incoming data are in the proper formats. See, date is in the date format. Okay. Yearly income is in integer format. Total children integer format. Number of children at home integer format. Education text format, it should be. Flag is in the integer format. So uh, product key is in integer format. Order date key, yeah, these are in the proper format. So I don't think we need to change data type, because I am seeing all the date columns are in all the columns are already in proper format. Okay, so here also we can see data in timestamp format. That's not a problem. Product alternate key, subcategory key, weight unit measure code. So these are in the text, but we need to see the data. Like if it has some string value with integer value, then it should be in text. But if it has only integer, then we can keep in the integer. But I think it may have a integer with some string value. That's why its type is text. So let's leave this and come to the data. So okay, seems fine. Okay, this is the data. So if we see data carefully, I'm just trying to understand what are the here we have a deal price. So we can round up to two integer here. Let me write this, what transformation I'm going to perform. Deal price round two digit. And other transformation I have decided, like we can extract date, month and year from the sale date. Okay, so based on that we can prepare our reports. So we can extract date, month, year from the sales date. Okay, now product name, I am searching some columns. So if we see the product name column, we can see it is like a product name is combined with product color also. Everywhere you can see. So this is English product name, Spanish product name, French product name. So everywhere it is combined with color. So our one transformation can be to separate product name with color. So I already written here separate name and color. Other transformation I found, let me show you first data here, date. So if we see, we have a order date, due date, ship date. Okay. So one transformation we can have to find the difference between order date and due date. Okay. And then order date and ship date, or we may have one more like due date and ship date. So assume if we have if we know the difference between due date and ship date, we can analyze, or we can see how long it will take, like whether product is product delivery date is near to due date or not, like that. Now next is we can go with price calculation. So let me come to the price column. Let me see the price column first. Where are the price columns? Here I can see the price columns. Product line, class type. We can directly search column price. So here we can see unit price. Something is wrong. One minute. I need to refresh this. Yeah, I want to search the price. So here we will see the unit price. We can see the unit price. Okay. Now after the unit price, I want to see sale price. I mean unit price you can consider a sale price. Okay. Now I want to see the cost. So this is the cost. Okay. So if we make a subtraction between unit price, or I mean sale price between product cost, we will get the difference, and that difference is called profit. Okay. So like that we need to calculate a profit also. Profit is equal to sale price minus cost, or if we have a given a discount, then we need to minus that discount also to get the profit. So let's see, we have one column called a discount also. So we can see the column called discount. Okay, so if we have a discount, then definitely we need to minus that discount to see the profit. Now final price. So final price means that final selling price. So final selling price will be unit sale price minus discount. If we have any tax on that price, then we need to add tax also. So we have the column called tax also. We can see we have a tax column, we have a unit price column. Okay, and we have a discount column also. So like that we can calculate our final price, we can calculate profit, we can calculate our date difference, we can separate the name and color to find the product name, we can extract date, month, year, just to make analysis based on month, based on year, like that. Or we can also extract a quarter also, and we can apply round transformation. Okay, so we have seen in the deal price after decimal we have 3 or 4 values, so we can round up to two digit. So this is also can say optional, and data type we don't need to make any changes. Okay, because all the data are already in proper format. So again I just want to see one more time the view of my data. We can perform one more analysis. It's not required, but still. So here we can see the gender is FM. So we can apply one case statement and can give like if gender is equal to F, then female. If gender is equal to M, then male. So it's understandable, but still we can have one more transformation. I'm just seeing data again. Seems fine for me. Date first purchase, clipping distance, batch ID, product key, due date, ship date is a key. These are fine, no problem. Sales order line number, sales order number, order quantity. Yeah, we need to get a final price. We need to apply. I mean, we need to multiply order quantity also. Order quantity. Okay. Then in the profit also we need to apply order quantity. Now let's see extended amount. Apart from this, I am not able to find any other transformation that I can apply now. But in later, like while creating a report, if we may see we need some other transformation, then again we will modify this data flow and we will apply some transformation. So actually at the report label, we have a beast mode calculation also to apply some transformation. So either we can apply at a report or at card level also, or we can again modify our data flow. Okay. So now in this project, I am going to apply this below transformation in my integrated data set called retail data analysis. So in the upcoming video, we will work on this transformation. Thank you.